Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and that the default phone app won't block overlays. This matters because Android restricts screen draws. Next, install a full-screen caller ID app, pick one rated for your OS. Once done, open it and grant contacts and phone permissions, then allow display over other apps. You must accept overlays now, otherwise the full-screen UI can't appear. Finally, set the app as your default caller interface if the app requests it so calls route through it. Now you configure how the full-screen ID behaves. Open the app's display or call incoming settings and toggle full screen or incoming call cover. You should choose a large image, font size, and layout to ensure visibility. Make it high contrast for readability. Then enable priority notifications so calls aren't suppressed by Do Not Disturb. If your phone blocks the overlay, make the app the default dialer or allow lock screen override. This forces the full screen view to appear on incoming calls. Finish by testing with an actual incoming call. You need to confirm the full screen overlay appears and that accept and decline buttons work. If the app fails, check battery optimization and background data restrictions. Turn them off for the app so Android won't kill it. Also verify overlay permission again. If problems persist, clear app defaults, force stop, and reinstall the app. Sometimes a fresh install resets permission dialogues. One tip: reboot your phone after permissions to ensure changes take effect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.